So these are the best secret codes in Hitbox Rivals. So how do you do them? Well, as you can see, there are 5 buttons at the bottom of the screen. You have the play and those other 3 buttons. But what we're going to want to focus on is the 5th one, which is the codes button. Now, as you can see from the bat, they already give us a new code called 3 mil visits. Simply type that in and tap on redeem, and we got 5 lucky spins, which is amazing already. And now I have another secret code for you to use. This time it's 2 mil visits, so type that in, 2 mil visits, tap on redeem, 5 lucky spins and 5 lucky flow spins. Now we're really doing good right now. The last code I have for you, which is amazing as well, is Great Hitbox. Great Hitbox. Tap on redeem and 5 more lucky spins. So how do you actually use these spins? Well, it's pretty simple. Just simply tap on that second button right there, and here we can go for a spin. I'm actually gonna try one of the lucky spins and see if we get a legendary or a mythic. And there you go, we already got an epic, which is Chigiri. Let's actually go and aim for a legendary if we can. I'm gonna try to use, and whoa, look at that! We already got a legendary just by using 2 lucky spins. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed. Once again, the codes are 3 mil visits, 2 mil visits, and Great Hitbox. Make sure you use the codes so that you can get a legendary or even a mythic like me. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.